If you don't want a complicated setup for home security, light bulb security cameras are your ideal solution. They combine advanced technology with ease of use, perfect for anyone looking for effective and straightforward protection. We've done the research and found the best light bulb security cameras for you. For more information on each product, check out the links in the description below. So, let's get started. The first on our list is the LabVIEW 8-megapixel security camera 4K. This camera stands out for its exceptionally high-definition images, offering an 8-megapixel HD resolution at 4096 by 2160, significantly clearer than standard 2K options. It's particularly remarkable for its Starlight Color Night Vision, which leverages ambient light to ensure clear visibility of objects within 30 feet, even under minimal lighting conditions, making it reliable for both day and night monitoring. Setting it up is straightforward, utilizing a standard E27 bulb base. This feature simplifies its installation as it can be mounted like any regular light bulb, bypassing complex wiring and technical setups. The process is further streamlined by connecting the device to your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network via the LabVIEW app. Among its advanced functionalities are AI-driven human detection and motion tracking alerts. These features allow the camera to detect movements accurately and follow objects across a 355-degree range and up to 17 feet away, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your surveillance area. Additionally, the device supports two-way audio and an alarm siren, which not only helps in communicating with visitors, but also serves as a deterrent to potential intruders. The ability to support up to 20 users viewing the video simultaneously makes this model a great choice for families or shared residences. Compatibility with smart home systems like Alexa and Google Assistant further enhances its utility, making it both practical and versatile for modern homes. In conclusion, with its user-friendly installation and robust feature set, this security camera is an excellent choice for enhancing home security. Its integration with existing smart home technologies and superior imaging capabilities make it highly recommendable for anyone looking to secure their premises efficiently. The second on our list is the WISECU light bulb security camera. This security camera stands out with its dual-band connectivity, supporting both 5G and 2.4G networks. This capability ensures a stronger signal reception and a smoother real-time video experience, an upgrade over the traditional 2.4G only systems. Installation is a breeze as it fits into any standard E27 bulb socket and connects seamlessly to your home Wi-Fi through the eSay Cloud app. The WISECU is equipped with two-way audio that enables real-time communication without any barriers, making it ideal for interacting with family members or visitors directly through the camera. Furthermore, it features a motion detection system with an audible alarm that not only alerts you to movement, but also actively deters potential intruders by emitting a loud sound and white light. An impressive feature of this camera is its panoramic tilt and zoom abilities, allowing 355-degree horizontal rotation and a 90-degree vertical flip. This offers a comprehensive 360-degree field of view with no blind spots. The camera's 2K HD video capability and color night vision ensure that footage is crystal clear day and night, capturing fine details within a 33-foot range even in low-light conditions. Additionally, this model supports multi-user sharing, enabling various family members or friends to access the camera feed simultaneously through the app. Storage options are flexible, with support for both cloud storage and local storage via a micro SD card up to 128 GB. In conclusion, the WISECU light bulb security camera is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable and easy-to-use security solution. The third on our list is the Hugalog 4K light bulb security camera. Setting up this camera is as straightforward as installing a light bulb, thanks to its innovative Easy Pair connection technology. Simply screw it into any standard E27 light socket, open your phone's Bluetooth, and the app takes over, quickly detecting the new device. This effortless setup is perfect for those seeking a no-hassle installation. With 8-megapixel 4K resolution, the camera captures crystal-clear images and videos around the clock. It features a powerful starlight color night vision, enabled by a new f1.4 aperture that gathers more light to deliver high-quality footage even in very low-light conditions. This ensures your property is well monitored both day and night. The device is not just about high-resolution footage, it also includes AI smart detection that distinguishes between humans, pets, and vehicles, minimizing false alerts and focusing on genuine threats or notable activity. When it detects movement, the system alerts you instantly, keeping you connected to your home wherever you are. Additionally, the camera supports two-way audio and has an alarm siren that can be triggered to deter intruders, adding an extra layer of security. It offers flexible storage options with both cloud and microSD card capabilities, ensuring your data is safe and accessible. In summary, the Hugalog 4K light bulb security camera blends simplicity with advanced features, making it a robust choice for easy, effective home surveillance. The fourth on our list is the Siminelec light bulb security camera. This model is the epitome of simplicity and technological sophistication in home surveillance. Installation is a breeze, requiring no more than the effort it takes to screw in a light bulb. The camera sets up via Bluetooth in just under a minute using the app, although it is important to note that it only connects to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. Its compatibility with Wi-Fi 6 routers ensures a stable connection up to 328 feet away from your router, even if your home is spacious. The 2.5K 4-megapixel Full HD resolution delivers sharp, clear images and recordings. Night visibility is particularly strong, with quality infrared LEDs extending night vision up to 66 feet, allowing you to see everything in detail even in total darkness. Its compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant adds an extra layer of convenience, enabling voice control. A standout feature is the 360-degree AI human auto motion detection. The camera can pan 350 degrees horizontally and tilt 90 degrees vertically, covering almost every angle. This broad range is essential for comprehensive monitoring, automatically detecting human motion to ensure focused and effective surveillance. Security features are robust, with video and account encryption that protects your privacy impeccably. Videos are stored securely on a TF card or cloud, with safeguards to ensure your data is inaccessible even if the hardware is compromised. In conclusion, this light bulb security camera is highly recommended for anyone looking to enhance their home security with minimal fuss over installation. The last on our list is the AlcaVision 2K light bulb camera. The AlcaVision 2K light bulb camera excels in delivering high-resolution 2K video quality, ensuring ultra-clear details both during the day and at night. Equipped with Magic Pix technology, its night vision capabilities are enhanced to provide superior clarity in low-light conditions. The camera covers a broad area with its 355-degree horizontal and 90-degree vertical rotation, offering comprehensive protection around your property. One of the standout features of this camera is its sophisticated motion detection system. The built-in precision sensor not only detects movement, but also tracks objects within a 30-foot range, automatically recording and following motion as it occurs. This ensures that nothing goes unnoticed. The camera can be set to monitor specific points and adjust automatically, maintaining vigilant surveillance as needed. Additionally, the AI motion detection technology is designed to differentiate between humans and pets, which helps in reducing false alarms. This smart system allows you to customize the detection zones for tailored security. Notifications are also streamlined to avoid frequent interruptions, sending summarized alerts within designated timeframes. Installation is incredibly user-friendly, mimicking the simplicity of screwing in a light bulb in any standard E27 and E26 socket. The setup is further simplified with Bluetooth connectivity, making the initial connection through the Vico Home app straightforward. If Bluetooth is unavailable, a QR code scan ensures the device pairs seamlessly. In conclusion, the Division 2K light bulb camera is a robust and convenient choice for those seeking an easy-to-install, comprehensive home security solution. And that ends our list of the best light bulb security cameras. We hope this guide helps you find the right one for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Until next time, take care.